All right, pause for a second and imagine your daily ride actually being something you look forward to. The first week you spend with the Gotrax, that shift happens quietly, almost unexpectedly. This is for the kind of person who is tired of making excuses for short rides, slow commutes, or bikes that feel like work instead of freedom. Before you go any further, check the current price and availability. These tend to move faster than people expect, especially when riding season hits. You know that moment when you realize your old routine is holding you back. Maybe it was a regular bike that left you sweaty and drained, or an e-bike that promised help but never quite delivered. You started planning trips around distance, energy, or time. That's when you knew it was time to upgrade. Once you switch, the relief is immediate. You stop worrying about how far is too far. Pedal assist doesn't feel like cheating, it feels like support. Hills flatten out. Headwinds lose their attitude. You arrive calm instead of worn out. Think about how this actually fits into your life. Morning commutes, where you glide past traffic instead of fighting it. Quick grocery runs that don't feel like a chore. Evening rides where you fold it up and store it without rearranging your entire space. Even weekend cruising feels lighter, easier, more intentional. The performance isn't about showing off speed. It's about how steady and predictable everything feels. You push off and the assist comes in smoothly. You keep your rhythm. You finish rides with energy left, not drained. Don't wait too long on this. Prices shift, stock comes and goes, and this is the kind of upgrade people wish they'd made sooner. You might be thinking a folding e-bike sounds like a compromise. That thought disappears fast. Folding becomes convenience. Compact turns into flexibility. What seemed smaller starts feeling smarter. Here's the surprise most people don't expect. You start riding more often. Not because you force yourself, but because it's easy. That's when habits change. You feel encouraged to ride daily. Short trips become effortless. Storage never feels like a problem. Riding stays smooth and stress-free. Your routine feels lighter overall. It's not built for extreme off-road abuse. Top speed focuses on control, not racing. At some point, you stop comparing every option and choose the one that already fits your life. Don't let this be one of those upgrades you delay and regret when you're still stuck pedaling harder than you need to. If this feels like the kind of freedom you've been missing, check the current availability and make the move. The first easy ride will tell you everything you need to know.